Welcome back! The website onedaysaving.com sent me some Christmas resin molds that I am excited to create with. This Christmas tree with hanging ornament mold looks super fun, so let's get started. I was so excited to get started that I forgot to make sure the mold was in line with the camera. I will be dusting on the pigment powders into the mold with a paintbrush. I will be using brilliant gold for the star and ornament, grass green for the tree, and silver black for the base. I will list all items I am using in the description box below. Please let me know if you have any questions and what you think about this video in the comment box below. As I brush on the powder, I am making sure I get into the corners and up the sides of the mold. This step did take me a little bit of time. I sped up this video. In between colors, I clean my brush by wiping it on a paper towel. It was pretty easy to fill this mold with resin. I used about 10 ounces of resin. I will let the resin sit for a few minutes before adding heat to help release air bubbles. Then I decided my project needed a little more sparkle, so I added glitter on top. I covered the molds and let this cure for 24 hours. I am so excited about how awesome this looks. This project cured nicely and it looks great and it's super easy to demold. I made a mess with the glitter, so I have a little bit of cleanup to do around the edges. For the ornament, I want to add a family photo. I printed 3 photos on regular copy paper that I thought might work. I measured the ornament and found that a photo 2 1/4 inches would fit nicely, but then I decided to use my ornament shape to help determine which one would fit. Sorry about my big head getting in the way. Once I found the photo I want to use, I used a pen to mark the shape on the photo and cut it out with scissors. This is a photo of my husband and our granddaughter talking about the indoor snowballs we got and how to throw them. Once the photo is cut, I used scrapbooking adhesive squares to attach it to the ornament. Putting the tree into the stand is super easy. I used gold metallic needlework thread to hang the ornament. You can use any ribbon, thread, or wire as long as it'll fit through the holes, which are a good size. I love this project. It turned out great and it is a perfect addition to my Christmas decorations. Please let me know what you think about this project in the comment box below. Thank you for creating with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye!